the science of purposeful sequencing. So this training really is the nuts and bolts of Hatha Yoga. It's where we take the principles of Ayurveda, using the 5 elements and the doshas and the gunas and all of these teachings, the pranavayus, things like that, these pertinent teachings, and apply them to this science of techniques and practices from the Hatha Yoga school, from the Tantric Hatha Yoga school. So what we do is we study the energetics and biodynamics of asana. We look at each asana category, being forward bends, back bends, laterals, twists, side bends and inversions, extensions. I might have said too many. And we look at the energetics of each type of pose. When we bend forward, it has a certain effect. When we bend back, it has a different effect. Sideways, twisting, they all have really specific energetic effects on the nervous system, on our breathing, on the energy flow and the directional flow through the system, which then in turn has an effect on our mind. So we'll break this down and we'll look at the scientific principles and approach to these things, breathing and the asanas, and also mantra and meditation. And we'll also look at how to teach or practice and teach classes that are geared towards specific effects. If we want to, just very simple terms, calm somebody down, we would have a set of practices for that. Forward bends, long exhalations, just for example. Certain mantras would help, all sorts of things. If we wanted to maybe stimulate or activate somebody's energy, we would have different postures and different breath techniques for that. Back bends and internal breath holding and so forth. So there's really quite an involved science behind Hatha Yoga. It's not a guessing game. It's not just throw a whole bunch of poses together and techniques and just try and sort of hope they're going to have a positive effect. We can get really specific. So we'll gear these teachings towards both how you can do this for group classes and also even more specifically how you can do it for yourself or individuals. So the science of purposeful sequencing, such an essential training to be an effective Hatha Yoga practitioner and teacher.